In late September, the Costco shipping Virgo once again returned to the port of Hamburg, the largest port in Germany and the third largest in Europe. The 20,000 TEU ultra-large container ship embarked on its journey from China's Tianjin port. Before arriving in Hamburg, it made stops at various ports, including China's Shanghai and Ningbo, as well as Singapore, Piraeus, and Rotterdam. Right now, it is heading back to Shanghai. At present, the port of Hamburg is directly connected to major Chinese ports via 15 regularly scheduled liner services. Approximately one-third of the containers processed at the port of Hamburg either originate from China or are bound for China.
随着我国自主创新的不断发展，高科技和高附加值的产品不断的出口也不断的增加，尤其是新商业的产品，比方说新能源汽车、锂电池，还有以及太阳能光伏板等等。那么在返航时呢，我们主要从欧洲主要是用一些德国汉堡的空客飞机的组件，以及像工业用的设备的车厂，然后一些化工产品，以及纸浆啊，包括一些红酒、牛羊肉等产品比较多。
In 2022, China and the European Union, who are each other's second-largest trading partners, achieved record bilateral trade flows of $847.3 billion, marking a year-on-year increase of 2.4%. Simultaneously, the two-way cumulative stock of direct investment had exceeded $230 billion by the end of 2022.